Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Many students has requested that I do a workshop on how to paint lotus in the style of Henry Hu Yuji. And his style is actually the very classic Lingnan style pioneered by Master Zhao Xiaoan, and he is a very good student of Master Zhao Xiaoan. One of his disciples, and he has advanced the painting of lotus to another level, particularly in the painting of lotus in opaque white. And also, Hang Wu is also extremely famous for his atmospheric wash, such as doing the lotus in the rain. So in this particular workshop, we will focus on a lot of different things, including how to make calligraphic lotus leaf that glow from the inside, how to make lotus flower with the opaque white, and also how to create atmospheric wash that can represent morning mist, rain, and various different pond atmospheres. And because there's so much information to put into the workshop, I have decided that we cannot do it in a half-day workshop. We have to do a full day. And understanding many of my students may not be in the same time zone as me, that it may be too early for them to start or too late for them to finish if I make it into a full day workshop. So this Lotus inspired by in the style of Henry Wu Yuji will be a two-session workshop. We will do it in two consecutive Saturdays, and the content will cover lotus leaf, opaque white doing the flowers, atmospheric wash, and everything in between. So with so much to cover, we will have two fun consecutive sections, very interesting, informational, and educational. I hope you will join us in this unique workshop, 2 days, two sessions to paint lotus inspired by Henry Wu Yuji, and I hope to see you in this special workshop. Two sessions, two consecutive Saturdays. I hope to see you in this workshop. Thank you. Bye bye.